Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're reviewing Trading 212. Trading 212 is a UK-based fintech broker and investment platform founded in 2024 and now regulated by the FCA, SISEC and ASIC. It serves over 4.5 million users worldwide and offers commission-free trading on shares, ETFs and CDFs. You get access to commission-free trading on over 1,200 shares and ETFs, including fractional shares with minimum investments of just £1. Create customizable portfolios and automate investments you can copy community pies to. Also, if you are trying to practice, you get access to £50,000 virtual funds for risk-free simulation of real trading features. You can hold balances in currencies like GBP, USD, Euro, CHF, and more to reduce FX, and up to 4.35% AER on uninvested cash and share lending benefits. It offers stocks and shares ISA and cash ISA options for UK residents. Now let's move on to the cons. Reddit users report issues like poor spreads, ignored stop losses, app lag during volatility, and trade suspicions during market searches. While Trading 212 charges no direct withdrawal fee, intermediary bank fees can consume large chunks. You must sell and then reinvest elsewhere, which could trigger taxable events. And some users claim pricing behavior is unfavorable during bullish moves. So, Trading 212 delivers powerful, low-cost investing tools with minimal upfront fees and beginner-focused usability. With multi-currency wallets, auto-invest pies, and a strong demo environment, it's ideal for casual investors or DIY enthusiasts looking to build a diversified, low-budget portfolio. However, the CFD traders, the platform's execution issues, alleged trade freezes, spreads, and stop-loss inconsistencies are concerning, so slower support and inability to transfer positions are notable limitations too. So, what I recommend is that Trading 212 is a great choice for long-term investors and beginners seeking low fees and simplicity. So use a caution with CFDs, consider regulated brokers like Interactive Brokers if you need advanced execution or portfolio portability. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.